We live in times of change. Technological innovation is continuous. Digital communications have led to new forms of consumption, and corporate competition is intense. In this new digital environment, the transition to cloud and mobile is a strategic priority for companies. The challenge is how to make it happen in a flexible, secure, and profitable way. Morphis can make it happen. We are an international company specialized in the modernizing and adapting legacy software systems, regardless of the source code or the original programming language. Using our technology, companies can transition to the cloud using the same tools which they currently use to manage their business, without having to invest in new products and deployments. At Morphis, we are highly experienced in adapting obsolete environments to new IT ecosystems in organizations across all sectors, and in working with leading technology manufacturers that use our tools in their projects. Our approach is underpinned by a portfolio of multi-language products which we use to develop technology-agnostic software, covering multiple programming environments. Use Morphis to solve the challenges posed by the new digital era while maintaining the original features of your software. Minimize risks via mature and tested platforms. And save time, effort, and budget versus traditional automatic writing or implementation solutions. Don't limit your software systems. Morphis is reinventing digitalization so that you are always prepared on your path towards innovation.